I'm gonna start with 2 pounds of Yukon Gold potatoes. And I cut them in big chunks, 1-inch chunks. I love that I don't peel them because I hate peeling potatoes. So potatoes go on the sheet pan. This recipe is inspired by River Cafe in London, which is renowned for its Italian food. So the next thing's garlic. I need 8 cloves of garlic. This is what I do. I take off the stem end. Instead of peeling it, what I do is I just tap it lightly, and you'll see the peel just comes right off. And I'm gonna put the whole garlic right on the pan, just like that. Next is 2 branches of rosemary. I just put the whole thing on. Don't even take the leaves off. Next, I'm gonna do a half a lemon. I'll show you how I prep it. Cut the ends off. Slice it like that. And then just slice it really thinly. And this is gonna roast right on the pan with the potatoes. All the sugars in it caramelize, and they mix with the potato. Okay, these are classic Tuscan flavors. Lots of olive oil. Just enough so that it's gonna roast perfectly. Lots of salt and pepper. Pepper. Okay, clean hands, cook's best tool. Just toss them all together and spread them out in one layer. Okay, into the oven, 375 degrees for 55 minutes until they're nice and browned and crisp. Tuscan roasted potatoes should be done. I smell all that lemon, it's just fantastic. Okay, the first thing I'm gonna do is take out the rosemary stems. But how amazing is that? All the leaves come off. Okay, one more ingredient. This is one of my really important good ingredients, is fleur de sel. I'll tell you more about it later. Just a sprinkling, and that's Tuscan roasted potatoes with lemon, and the lemon makes all the difference in the world.